Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make waffles in Dreamlight Valley. Only ways. Open your inventory and gather flour, milk, eggs, and butter, then approach a cooking station. Combine ingredients into batter by selecting the cooking recipe wheel, then start the cook timer and monitor the progress to avoid burning. Use any seasonal bonuses for tastier waffles and save your recipe once perfected for quick future use. Start by pouring measured flour and milk into the mixing bowl, then crack in eggs and add softened butter. Stir until the batter is smooth and consistent, aiming for no lumps, then transfer to the cooking station. Choose the waffle recipe and watch the cook meter carefully, flipping when the golden mark appears to lock in crisp edges and fluffy centers. Plate immediately to preserve warmth and aroma for your villagers. Quick recommendation and a tiny detour. If you love practical advice, consider The Simple Path to Wealth, a friendly book that can change how you think about saving and spending so you can afford more cozy games and snacks. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides like this, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After cooking, top waffles with fruit or syrup to boost gifting value and create a memorable meal for villagers. Learn each villager's favorites to maximize friendship gains and consider making multiple batches for quests or events. If you have extra, stash waffles in chests so you can grab them quickly for energy or last-minute gifts, and rotate ingredients to experiment with different effects and flavors for new outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.